Welcome to another week of Turner's Journey. I hope you've had a good week since last week's episode. Now, last week's episode was called No Rest for the Wicked. And Natalia and I were up in Wales at the end of the week with an all-day demonstration. But at some point over those last few days, I got bitten by a bug, a really, really heavy cold. And that knocked me out for pretty much Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. And I'm back in the workshop today, having to I've got to catch up with some stuff because tomorrow we're heading off to Yandles tomorrow afternoon. We're going to Yandles for the book launch on Friday, so I've got to get ready for that. I also need to get ready for youth training on Saturday, but I can do a bit of that tomorrow. And I've also got to get ready for the Surrey Show and a remote demonstration on Saturday evening. So yeah, I've really got to hit the ground running this week because I'm essentially 48 hours late. But I'm feeling an awful lot better. I'm still a little bit blocked in the nose, but I've got some medication for that. So let's just hit the ground running this week, shall we? So I'm pretty much ready to go now. I've got a few little bits and pieces that I need to do before I can load up the car to travel down to Yandles. The admin pretty much is done for the day, but what I do need to do is sharpen my tools. I've got to put together the smallest possible toolkit that I can because I'm restricted on space in the car with taking stock and a few other bits and bobs down there. So the smaller the toolkit, the better. I'm only turning one project, so I just need to take the tools that I'm going to need for that one project, plus, of course, the blanks. But it's not very big, so I'm not going to need a huge number of tools. It's 5:30, rush hour, and we've started our drive down to Somerset. It's not very nice weather this evening. It's quite windy. It's a bit rainy as well, but Natalia and I are in the car heading down to the White Hart Hotel in Martock, just around the corner from Yandles, ready for the book launch tomorrow. It's all very exciting. We've got all the stuff that we need in the back and we can't wait to get there really, but we need to drive carefully because it is rush hour and the weather's not very nice. So yeah, can't wait to get there. We've made it to Yandles. It's Friday afternoon now and I'm all set up. They've been fantastically helpful. They've given me a brand new Harvey lathe to play with, which I'm looking forward to playing with. I don't think I've used a Harvey lathe before, so that's going to be pretty cool. I've met a few people already who have come to see the demonstration later on and looking forward to seeing a few more too. We had a fantastic time at Yandles yesterday. If you're watching and you came along to the book launch, thank you very much indeed for making it such a special afternoon. It was an absolute pleasure to meet you and to sign your book if you bought a copy, so thank you very much. Now it's now Saturday evening. It's 20 to 6 actually on Saturday evening, and I'm now getting ready for a remote demonstration for Kern Woodturners in California. But before I do that, or rather before I do that, we've done some youth training today in association with the Worshipful Company of Turners and the Association of Woodturners of Great Britain. We had a handful of youngsters in here today, and they were turning trees with Les and some bowls with me, and B. Matthews was here doing some pyrography with them too. Really super busy day. They all got loads out of it, and they all went home really happy with a certificate of completion, which is great, and we're looking forward to seeing them again next year. We've got a couple more, or we're working on a couple of dates for next year. And now I've just finished getting ready for this demonstration for Kern Woodturners in California. It's quite interesting actually, because I've just had something to eat sort of for dinner, and these guys in California have pretty much just had breakfast, so the time difference is always good fun. And this evening I'm going to be turning this sycamore blank into a little bit of a platter and adding some texture to it. And that will finish at about 8:30, and then I'm going to go home to bed, because tomorrow Natalia and I are heading off to the Surrey Association of Woodturners Open Day 2025. It's all a bit busy.
Okay, roll up, come on to the mystery board.
Well, it's Monday now, and I'm behind on my filming and my editing, but it has been, or it was, a monumentally busy weekend. Friday, of course, was the book launch. If you came to that down at Yandles, thank you very much indeed for coming. I really appreciate that, and I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Saturday, we did some youth training in the workshop. 8 teenagers had a fantastic time. And then yesterday was the Surrey Association of Woodturners Open Day, which you've just seen some footage from. That was a really nice day too. If you came along to that event as well and said hello, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And if you made a purchase, thank you for that too. And also for the 3rd or 4th year on the trot, it was an absolute privilege to be asked to judge the competition. This year I did it with Simon Hope. Really good day, decent turnout, so thank you very much indeed for that. Now being Monday, I've got another busy week. Today I'm having half the day off because of another 7 days, pretty much 7 days last week, but 2 days ill. Tomorrow, or later today and tomorrow, I've got to prepare sort of a 45-minute presentation for Wizardry in Wood that's this week, and I'm giving the presentation on Thursday. Wednesday afternoon, I'm going to Didcot Woodturners in Oxfordshire for a demonstration, and then getting an early train to London for my presentation or my talk on Thursday. Plus, I'm demonstrating at the evening reception there as well. And yeah, busy week again. So thank you very much indeed for watching this episode of Turner's Journey. I'll see you again next week for another jam-packed episode. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.